So we're going to color shading the tail, so I'm going to choose it, create a new layer above it, clipping, change it from normal to multiply with the same shade that I used for the body and the wrist. So I'm going to add it here, layer 1, layer 2, okay, like that, and here 2, and here. Bigger to fix here, and this is how it looks like. And this is for the tail. Now I'm going to do the same with moon. So I'm gonna pick the moon, layer above it, clipping from normal to multiply. But that one I'm going to choose color darker a little bit, like that, and start to color, lower the body, because this area is already shaded with body of the fox, and here too we needed to make it darker a little bit. Oh, see, okay, that area we're going to color it like that. So I'm going to color shading here and here, darker, and here too. We can choose darker color, here, here. It looks like that. I'm going to shade the background too. Here, I'm going to do the same. New layer, clipping, multiply, but I'm going to change the color and start to color after picking. And then I colored the background. So I need to color the white to the beige. So I need to create a new layer and drag it down at the end. And then I'm going to color the background in another layer. After that, I color the background. If you check here, there's outline that we drew it before. It's already in a folder alone. So I'm gonna close the eye to remove it. And this is how it looks like. I need to erase and close the reference. And this is how it looks like at the end. I hope this lesson to be useful for you. See you in another lesson. Bye.